Meaning of fascination.
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 Fascination. Fascination refers to a strong feeling of interest or attraction towards something. It is a state of being captivated or enchanted by an object, person, idea, or activity. When someone experiences fascination, they are completely absorbed and often find themselves unable to look away or stop thinking about the object of their fascination. This can lead to a desire to learn more about the subject, explore it further, or try to understand it better. Overall, fascination can be a powerful and positive force that drives curiosity and creativity.